Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting lipstick at home. First, you will need a few key ingredients. Start by gathering 1 teaspoon of beeswax, 1 teaspoon of shea butter, and 2 teaspoons of a nourishing carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil. Next, select your preferred cosmetic-grade pigment or natural colorant. Finally, ensure all your tools, such as a small heat-safe container and stirring sticks, are thoroughly clean and ready for use. Now, let's move on to melting and blending your ingredients. Place the beeswax, shea butter, and carrier oil into a heat-safe container. Gently melt them using a double boiler setup over low heat. This method ensures even heating and prevents burning. Stir the mixture constantly for about 5 to 7 minutes until all solids have completely dissolved and you have a clear, smooth liquid. Next, it's time to add your personal touch with color and scent. Remove the melted base from the heat. Gradually add your cosmetic-grade pigment, starting with about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Stir thoroughly to ensure the color is evenly distributed. For a lovely aroma, you can add 2 to 3 drops of a skin-safe essential oil, such as peppermint or vanilla, mixing it in completely. Finally, we'll pour and set your homemade lipstick. While the mixture is still warm and liquid, carefully pour it into your clean, empty lipstick tubes. Fill each tube almost to the top, leaving a small space. Allow the lipsticks to cool and solidify completely at room temperature for at least 2 to 3 hours. Once firm, cap them, and your long-lasting, custom lipstick is ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.